To create a folder in the app drawer on your Motorola smartphone, first of all, we're gonna go to the app drawer, of course. And to create a folder, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find that option. So here we can tap on Create Folder option. Now at the top we have the folder name field, so we should be able to set the name for the folder. And then over here we have the list of apps, so you can choose apps that should be included in that folder. Once you choose everything that should be placed into that folder, we can tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, that is pretty much it. You can of course open the folder quite easily, and if you decide to add more apps into the folder, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the folder and then tap on Edit. And you can also press and hold your finger on an app in the app drawer and then choose Add to Folder and then decide to which folder you want to add the app. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.